this is Shweta from sunscience.org. In this video series on the Chinese Aishin hexagrams, let's take a look at the 64 hexagrams one by one. Know how each hexagram influences an Aishin prediction in terms of personal goals, love, career, business, relationships and lots more. Visit sunscience.org to read the full article and much more. What is Aishin hexagram 59 or dispersion? Huan is the Chinese name of the Aishin hexagram 59. With inner and outer trigrams forming wind over water, this hexagram is called dispersion or alternatively named dispersing or dispersal. Hexagram 59 shows wisdom on how to progress by tearing down anything that might be blocking your way. Through constant persistence and patience, progress is possible with little damage. It is critical to take the time to remove anything that might be blocking the way. When doing so, make sure to be persistent and patient while removing the obstacles. Interpretation and meaning of hexagram 59 by sunscience.org shows that there will come a time when progress comes to a standstill because there is something currently in place that is holding it back. Hexagram 59 shows that by removing these barriers, progression is then possible again. When it comes to personal goals, we should always try to be successful. There will be obstacles in our way that will keep us from our achievements. Recognizing these errors quickly will allow for progress to follow. When it comes to love in a relationship, communication is the only way for progress to be made. Make sure to speak often with your partner to learn all you can about their situation, but also be willing to listen to what they have to say. When progress has stopped in the workplace, perhaps due to lack of proper communication, then you have to make the effort to communicate with people. When a member in the team does not understand what is going on in the other departments, then the unit starts to fall apart. Be willing to be the team leader and guide all associates. To conclude this video on hexagram 59, persistence is the key to any phase in life. Always be willing to continue moving forward and accept any change as it might be. Make sure to remain calm when something blocks your progress. Having an open mind and a clear conscience will aid in overcoming the problem. All phases in life are temporary and this too shall not remain for long. Check the description below to visit sunscience.org and read the complete article on this hexagram in detail. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Please like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Please like and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching this video. This is Shweta from sunscience.org wishing you all the very best.